the sea for a getaway. Car top down and we're driving just to feel young. Moving away to the sea. Moving away, can't you see? Sand in your feet, feel the breeze in the summertime. Stars in the sky, one dime for a first time. Moving away.
Hello everyone, hope you're all doing good. So this is Rangare. Welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, kindly do so. Like this video, share and comment. So today I'll be reviewing this hoverboard. Watch out this video and hope you like it. Okay, let's start. So this is a hoverboard. A hoverboard is something like an electric skateboard. So this hoverboard carries a person up to 160 lbs. That's about 70 kg roughly. Yeah, it has a maximum speed of 7 miles per hour and it can go to up to 3 miles per charge. Okay, so let's go ahead and unbox it. Hey, it's heavy. Okay, so these are some of the features that it has and some warning instructions. Yeah, so here's the manual. So I won't go through the manual because I've read it before. And here is the machine. So you can see it here, it's where you put the charger. This is the power on button. These are the wheels. Yeah. So let me power it on. Once you power it on, it produces that sound. So these are the control pedals. So here means that this will accelerate and this will move backwards, and this will accelerate this wheel, and this one will brake and move backwards if you press it further. So if you want to turn using this hoverboard, you'll press this and leave this side. So whenever you press it harder on this side, it will turn. Here's an example. Let me show you. You see? And if you want to turn this way, you can see. So whenever you want to start this hoverboard, you first step here and then step on this way. Yeah, you can see I'm still a learner, not perfect. So I'll do it again. So you first step here, then quickly step on this other side. Let me go ahead. Here. Then you accelerate. I can go backwards. I can turn. Turn again. Can turn the other side. So someone asked me how to balance on the hoverboard. So I think this comes with the confidence that you have. At first, you might encounter challenges, you might fall down, but it comes with confidence. It's something like whenever a baby starts to walk, the baby can't support him or herself, but with time, the baby starts walking. That's the same concept on the hoverboard. The first time I tried it, I fell down multiple times, but I gained confidence. I gained confidence with time. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Until next time. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.